Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with another video for you. As you can see, I've taken down all those individual braids that I had. I am not going to show you my scalp, just know that it is dry and itchy, so let's get it ready to be washed. Before I go into the shower, I always like to detangle my hair first. This helps to cut down on shedding and clogging the drain and just time in general spent in the shower because my hair will already be detangled and ready for shampooing. And luckily, the braids kept a lot of my hair from detangling, so this was really easy. And now that my hair is nice and clean, I'm going to go ahead and deep condition. This video isn't really about the products, but I will link all my favorite products in the description box below. But yeah, you can use any deep conditioner you want, any leave-in, any cream, style, gel, whatever you want. The purpose for today is to get that braid in my hair. Now that everything is rinsed out of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and part it and get it ready for braiding. Just so you know, the part doesn't have to be perfectly straight. Mine definitely was not. So as long as you got a decent part, you should be fine. Now I know I didn't do very many braids for this braid out. I already knew that with just 2 braids I could get a lot of definition, so there was no need to do like 8 or 9 braids. I was mostly concerned with just the braids up top because I knew that I was going to be doing a braided crown. So the 2 on the top of my head, I braided forward. I didn't want to have to manipulate my hair the next day in a direction that wasn't naturally or didn't naturally dry in. I wanted to make it as easy as possible to do the braided crown. It's the next day. I let my hair air dry overnight, and now I'm just adding some oil to help moisturize my hair. Now, if you plan on recreating this style, let me just give you a couple of tips that I wish I would have realized before trying this style. Do not take out all the braids before you start the braided crown. Please leave the braids at the bottom braided so that they don't tangle with the hair up top. I could have kicked myself once I realized what I had done, and the sad part is I realized it as soon as I took out the last braid. Now, we'll be honest with you guys, this braid was very challenging. This braid is normally hard to do with straight hair, but I can struggle through it. But with curly hair that's been braided with product, it just was too much. I almost gave up like twice, but I kept going because I knew that I could do this. What ultimately helped me get the braid finished is I took my Tangle teaser and just brushed out all the braid out waves. My hair was trying so hard to stay together from, just the definition of the braids and the product. It wasn't really cooperating with me, but once I took my Tangle teaser and just brushed it all out, added some more oil, it was a little more cooperative. Still difficult, but I was able to get much further in a shorter amount of time than I was before, and it wasn't tangling as bad. Now, if you don't have time to do a braid out first, you can definitely do this on an old wash and go. Just take a spray bottle full of water, dampen the hair, and detangle it. Put the braid in, and then for the hair hanging down in the back, just add whatever product that you need to re-moisturize and get the curl definition back. Overall, I'm very happy with this look. I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day, which is why I pulled out my favorite pink sweater. It just felt so Valentine-y. And I'm very happy that I didn't give up like I was going to several times. Like I said, braid crowns on natural hair ain't nothing to play with. It's hard enough on straight hair, but I thought this came out really cute. Hopefully you guys try it and have better luck than me. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And as always, thanks for watching.